All right, what's good, y'all? We finna start working on get stats again because I want to finish, not finish, but I want to fix these two things that I found when testing on this system. Because I actually have a bunch of repos and whatnot on here, but I'm writing out this feature request. I don't know why I started without starting to record, but whatever. Um, at the current moment, the amount of text space used depends on how many characters are actively used by the insertion source and deletion source. But it should always be constant so that the source width is always the same. All right. So note that because I want to do it this way, this removes the need for the test parameter. Actually, no, it doesn't, because you can't test the overloads. You still need to be able to test overloads. But anyway, example: if I have zero inserted and zero deleted, there will be 3 characters used, or character spaces used. One for zero, one for space used. I could just do this: zero, space, and zero. But if I have 10 in each, 5 character spaces will be used. 10, space, and 10. This causes a disconnect in centering and width of the source. When doing the spaces calculation, the amount of spaces should be max spaces minus amounts of characters, and the spaces should push the number, or the spaces should be prepended to the start of the text array, so that the text starts right next to the middle spacer and expands out towards these spaces. Additional context, there is none. Alright, cool. So that's that. So, but what I want to work on first is this one. And I think how I want to do that is I want to, hold on, let me go to projects, get stats. I have the most recent version, right? Your configuration specifies to merge with. Check out main. What are the differences? Oh, yeah, I don't want any of this. Get stash, I guess. And then get checkout and get pull. Awesome. Alright, cool. So what I want to do is find source, and then I want to go to tick, and what I want to do is I firstly want to keep track of the amount of untracked files that are in a given repository, right? And then here in tick, check if or if we get in here for tick, meaning that we are updating, we check how many files are in there. If it's the same, then we don't do anything. If it's ooh boy, because that means we have to handle deletions as well. Okay, so if it's more, then we just add. I need to figure out how get diff works with counting files. First of all, I think that would be helpful to figure out first. Where's the? Oh, I'm in support, not in interface. Okay. So what I want to do is go here and then go to get stats, and then I want to say ls files others exclude standard. Oh, I don't have any untracked files in here, no way. Where do I have untracked files? I think I do in here. Alright, cool. So the question is, how do I sort it by the ones that are most recent? Because I don't want to go through and check if each one exists in the thing. So if I touch something random and then I do this again, it's at the bottom. Oh man, it's random. That sucks. Let's see if there's a way I can sort this. Format. What did it give before? Oh. Anyway. Tree excluded for deduplicate directory, resolve, undo. Stage cached, deleted, unmerged, others. Or modified. Oh, I could just use this. Stage. Unmerged, killed. Self undo. Exclude. Exclude per directory. Show status. Shoot. Sort by most recently created. Most recently created doesn't necessarily mean most recent or most recently modified. But also, this is actually for LS, not sort directory by last modified content. Modification date and time. You can't like pipe this to. Okay, that's what I thought. Creation time, you can't make LS print it because it's not recorded. If you need creation time, it's a version control system. I don't think this is gonna exist, but it gives the last creation date of a file. File name. Oh shoot. All right. Oh, I didn't. I had to type this again. Log. If. Well, I could have just copied it, but whatever. Is untracked, so this wouldn't work, would it? You have a directory of files and you want to extract their original local creation date because it's not track file creation date. Okay, I see. Well, this sucks. Because I really don't want to go through the entire untracked file array for every single file. Especially if this gets large. It'll be fast, but the question is it fast enough combined with anything else? Because at that point it would just be faster to I guess you can't do one repository. I still really don't want to do that. Let me think. We had the last modified time. So I guess what we can do is go through an order of when it's been modified and check if that one exists. In order of modification, that cuts down the amount of times we have to go through, at least by a little bit. That still seems inefficient. Git log. I don't want that. I want all of them. Equals format. Send CI. Oh, I want to see the file as well. But we know that works. Let me see this. Triage alternate. I want the file name. Really? This is commit information. Oh, duh. It says subject line right there. Wait, so this is commit information. Oh, can you just do this then? No. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Get name of last modified file in Git. Nope, that's not what I wanted. There it is. Oh wow, that is long. Oh, it's a loop. Got it. Get ls tree. I really don't want to do that though. This is a little ugly. This isn't in order. But that would take a while. God dang. You can improve performance of this command by adding unused. Is there a better way to do this? Oh, there we go. Modified, changed, remove slash deleted. Uh, I don't know how I want to do this. I just assumed there would be a way to get an easier way to get the most recently changed. Because if it's changing, mm-mm-mm. Yeah, because you can't just assume that, like, say we change from 100 to 110. You can't just assume that the 10 are going to be most recently modified because you can have things like, I don't know, building a project or something. It's going to be a bunch. And then you can also be editing the project at the same time. Oh, this kind of sucks. I could reevaluate the. I don't think that's going to be fast enough, though. I need to find a way to benchmark this stuff. I think I have. Oh, I don't. That's in a previous. I have it open here. Previous thing. Oh wait, it's before we removed untracked files, so we can go here, and then just browse here, and it should be in source social interface mod it. Oh, okay. Time. Could have sworn I was checking for time. Oh, I know what it is. It's in the hash map stuff. It should be in unchecked files, wherever that is. There it is. Modify time. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Actually, we can put this in blib. So let's just say like benchmarking or something. I don't know what to call it though. Semi-lapsed dot c. Oh well, that's not going to be very helpful. Plus There we go. Okay, so we can say um struct time object or something. Oh wait, let's do this thing, and then we could just say, oh, I can't say time. Bench, and then we get this will be time underscore t start time underscore t end time, right? And then we would say bench yeah, it would be start time. Start timer, and then this will be void, and then it would be what, time null. We also need to create it. Bench bench marker equals malloc size of struct time object, right? And then we'd say bench start time equals time null, and then bench end time equals null. Then we return bench marker, and then we end the time, end timer. But this time we put in bench marker, right? And then we say bench marker end time equals equals the current time, and then we would just return bench marker at this point, but we also need to make this a pointer. Actually, I don't even need this at this point. Right? And then we say well, what does this return? It returns an integer. Int 32 underscore t get elapsed time, and then it would be bench marker, and then this would be return diff time of time 1 minus time 0. Bench marker, so we want the end time. End time. Why is this? This is a pointer. Don't do that. Bench marker. Start time. Oh, it did it again. Right. Can you put it in human readable time? Nah, I don't care enough. Alright. Can I use a code action? I can. Okay, cool. Bench with a what? I'll just try it. Projects. Live. Benchmarking. This should give me a. Oh boy. Invalid initializer. Struct time object. Wait, why? Alec, size of struct time object. I don't see the problem here. Oh, did I do this wrong? I want to see how people are doing it because it looks easier. Type def struct. See. Oh, so it is still that you don't get the pointer operator. That's interesting. But if I did this, like this, would that work? No, it would not. Okay. I see. But this one would be a pointer then. And then this one would be... Why did I do it like that? Bench marker dot end time. Marker. Okay. I think this has to be like that then. And then these go back to being this. No, because you got to put in one of those anyway, so might as well just be like this. There we go. Okay, so test include. Oh wait, I'm missing a part. Oh yeah, I can't. There we go. Elapsed.h pragma once. How am I looking on time? I got 10 minutes. Alright, cool. Or I could just say I mean we're type defing in .h anyway. Struct type def struct time object bench like that. Interesting. Wait, this would have to be like this, and then this would here. All right, cool. Oh, I copied the whole thing. All right. Why did it do two different ones? All right. Now we can make a test.c and then include timelapse.h, int main void, and then we first start timer bench tester equals that for actually, why am I doing it this way? While I is less than 10,000, int, where's the long? I don't know. Long I equals 0, I plus tester equals stop or end timer. Oh, right. Tester. And then we say, what? Printf get elapsed time of tester. Bench is incomplete. That's cool. I'm just gonna hope it works. GCC. Oh wait, not that. Test time elapsed. CWL. Standard IO. Oops. If I included it there in short time object, I mean, I could just put it in .h. And then this would have to include time elapsed. Time underscore t. Oh, right. All right, cool. 0. Interesting. Wait, is it because it's optimizing out? What is it? GO? Okay. Standard IO. Oops. I want to do this. I think it's a long. Bench marker and time. Oops. What am I missing? Oh, a semicolon. Alright, so I guess Am I getting the current time wrong? Oh, I've been here already. Cool. Time, raw time. What is time returning then? Is it the same for both? Oh, yes, long. Oh, it is the exact same. So now I'm curious. What is that? Man, time. Timer. Wait, where's the description of time? Oh, there it is. The time function returns the system's current timestamp. If timer is not a null pointer, the return value is assigned to the object it points to. Oh, why did I get this same thing? Okay, another question then. If I come over here and I sleep, I think it's sleep. Oh. Which one was I running then? What? And sleep? Oh, cool. I don't know why I just didn't do that at the beginning. Oh, never mind. Sleep. C Linux. There it is. This is part of Uni Standard. Include Uni Standard.h. Oops. Quit. Okay, so it's 10 seconds. Okay. It works. But if it's in seconds, I want it more than that. I want it in milliseconds. Get time of day from seconds and microseconds. Oh, so I could just get that and then get time of day. Man, get time of day. So you have Blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're going to use this instead. That means... Yeah, that means that we then... Oh, it's in here now. We then, for this time object... Wait, can you get microseconds with time? Time, diff time. Okay, so you do use get time of day. Okay. So you need what? I will get null tz. Okay, so I want a... I'll just name them the same, but say struct time val. And then struct time val. Yeah. And then we'll say for this, we'll do the same. And then start time now is get time of day. And then wait. This is what gets assigned, right? Turn 0 for success. Yeah, I assume so. So then we say bench marker start time, but let's go ahead and null that out first. Start time equals null. Yeah. Oh wait, and then that's null because we don't really care about that. As long as it's consistent. And then this can now equal null because of the structure. But do I need to malloc that too? I don't think so. So we return that, and then end time is going to be the same, where it's, wait, this is wrong. There we go. Okay, thank you. So then we get time of day, bench, actually, this should have been null 2. Oh, it's right here. There we go. End time, and then null, right? And then we could say what is get time of day part of? Time.h. says target time H. Anyway, we can't call diff time on it though, right? Is sys/time.h different? Oh, it seems so. Wait. Yeah. Interesting. Assigning to struct time val from incompatible type. But why this? This needs to be a pointer. Which means this also needs to be a pointer. But you can't use diff time, right? Seconds. Seconds. Man to time. Time T-lock. It's not null. Oh no, this looks like the same. Diff time. Yeah, it has to be time underscore T. Seconds. How do they do it here then? C time. Wait. Oh, am I in the wrong one? Oh, duh. You can just subtract it. More push for system clock get time support. Okay. So we would just subtract these two. And then we can format it better later. It doesn't really matter. I'm running out of time. But this would be, yeah, this would be that. Right? Yeah. But it would, oops. It would then be TV microseconds. Now, oh, right. It wasn't a pointer. Cool. Okay. So I have a lot of stuff up. So now we can theoretically do this. $148 microseconds. That doesn't seem right. Yeah, that's definitely not right. What was it? Sue seconds underscore T. Okay, how do I print that though? Wait, that's not what I wanted. Oh, right. Seconds. Int, but it's a long. Okay. I'm gonna make this shorter because this is kind of long. Oh, 5. Why is that so low? You know what? I'll figure it out later. I think we're on the right path. But something is wrong. If you do this. Oh. Just one. Alright. That's it for today. I'll figure this out and then we'll start seeing if we can fit into get diff interface while doing it inefficiently low key.